In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion second brain with the Para method. A Notion second brain is a personal knowledge management system that lives entirely inside Notion. Think of it as an organized extension of your mind. It brings together your to-do lists, notes, goals, and habits so you can capture ideas quickly, organize them logically, and retrieve what you need without hunting across apps. One popular structure for this is the Para method, which stands for projects, areas, resources, and archives. First, you need a place to capture. Set up a simple inbox or quick capture page where you can drop anything the moment it pops into your head: ideas, links, tasks, or notes. The goal is speed. Don't worry about sorting in the moment. You're just getting it out of your head and into a trusted home. Next, you'll organize. Process items from the inbox into structured databases. Areas are your ongoing life domains, things like health, career, or family, responsibilities that don't have an end date. Projects are time-bound efforts with a clear goal, like launching a website or planning a trip, and they should be broken into actionable steps. Tasks are the individual actions that move a project forward or support an area, and they should be linked back to their project or goal so context is never lost. Resources are your knowledge assets, notes, articles, and links you want to reference later, usually grouped by topic so they're easy to find. Then, move into action. Create dashboards and filtered views that show only what matters right now. A My Day view can pull in today's tasks. A Kanban board can visualize project progress, and a calendar view helps you schedule work realistically. These focused views keep you working, not wandering. Make review a habit. Regularly empty your inbox, check progress on projects and goals, and tidy anything that's drifted. This keeps the system accurate and useful, and it's the key to trusting it. Why this works? You get a centralized hub for everything, which reduces mental clutter and stress. By structuring tasks and projects, you see priorities clearly and stay productive. Over time, your notes and resources form a searchable knowledge base that helps you connect ideas and recall information faster. To get started, you can grab a pre-built template from the Notion template gallery or from Zapier's blog and customize it. Or build from scratch with databases for projects, tasks, areas, and resources, and set up relationships between them. Begin by creating your inbox, and remember, prioritize a system that fits how you think. Don't chase a perfect template, the goal is to get things done.